The future buyer can familiarize themselves with the apartment using the 3D model. The disclaimer should be read before using the viewer. The surrounding area, the floor plan, the complexes and legal information of the project and apartment can be viewed in the instance. The instance works best using a mouse on a computer. The view can be rotated by clicking the left mouse button and dragging. Using this feature, the view can be rotated up, down, and to the sides. By using the right mouse button, the view can be panned from left, right, forward, or backwards. To view an apartment from up close, the middle mouse button can be used to zoom in or out. On a tablet or phone, the view can be rotated, zoomed out or in, and moved by using 1, 2, or 3 fingers respectively. The compass and the position of the sun at a certain time and date can be viewed at the bottom right of the screen. The effect of the sunlight and shadows on the apartment can be viewed in a time-lapse. For example, this feature can demonstrate when the sun can be seen from the terrace. The date can also be adjusted, so that the position of the sun can be viewed either during the summer or during the winter. The neighborhood and the apartment can also be explored on foot. The desired location to start exploring can be chosen by pressing on the avatar icon at the bottom right of the screen. Returning to the normal 3D view can be done by pressing on the 3D button at the bottom right. The legal provisions that apply to the situation on the Hoevenstein estate can be viewed at the bottom left of the screen. These provisions could be places that are reserved for firefighting vehicles, private parking lots, but also the provisions of the complex. In the apartment complex, some areas of the complex are intended for public use. The model shows which areas are public and which are private. For each section, the provisions can be read by pressing the info button. The public areas can be found throughout the entire complex. These can be viewed per floor. The different apartments can be viewed by navigating from complex to homes. The filters at the left side of the screen can be adjusted according to preference. These filters allow searching for apartments based on certain criteria, such as a specific price range or a specific type. At the moment, all the apartments that meet the specified criteria are shown. More information about an apartment, such as the type, area size, the number of rooms and bedrooms, the availability, and the price, can be found by pressing on the apartment. The plans of the complex and the locations of the private parking lot and storage area can be viewed as well. Visualizing an individual apartment can be done by pressing on the View Property in 3D button. This will open a new tab. The legal provisions for this specific apartment can be found at the bottom left of the screen. Here, legal information can be found about the walls and doors, but also about the ventilation shaft. Information related to a complex element can be viewed by pressing on the respective element. The electrical outlets can be seen in the model as well. The legal provisions, which apply to the project and the apartment, can be found in the project documentation. This contains several documents, such as the kitchen design proposal, including related information, and the concept of the deed of delivery. Pressing on these documents will open a new tab. The apartment can also be measured. Here, the estimated measurements can be viewed. For more information, visit demo.bimkeeper.com or reference the BIM EMS manual. The links can be found in the description.